Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to download and install Lightroom into your PC, laptop, or computer. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the process on downloading the Lightroom and installing it on your computer is actually quite simple. So what you need to do is to head into the page. So I'm just going to link this page right here in the description down below. So you can just check that in there. And then after that, you should be able to see the download Lightroom button on this part of your screen. So just simply click on it, and then it will automatically download the Lightroom for you. And then after that, just head into your downloads on your browser, so the download section. Then after that, you should be able to locate the executable file. So to successfully installed the Lightroom, you can just simply click on it and then just let it process and then install into your computer, and then just follow the on-screen prompts that you need to do to be able to use it into your computer. So that's it for this video. That's how you can download and install Lightroom. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.